Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to work with media files on your website. So log into the admin panel and go to the media section, library. Here you can store different kinds and types of media content like images, audio files, video files, documents, PDF files, etc. Let's check. Here we have images. So basically you can add new image on the website by clicking this button and drag and drop the file here in this frame, or select from your media library on the device. Also, if you have some old or unactual images, you can simply remove them by clicking delete permanently, so they won't occupy the space on your website. Also, the WordPress have cool feature which allows you to edit images right here in the admin panel. So you can rotate the image or flip it and even crop. Be careful, because when you save the edited image, it will overwrite your previous version and it cannot be restored. You can also set up the dimensions manually to match the image with the specific frame or block on the website. One more thing that is important to have is this technical information of the image, like alternative text, title, caption, description. It will allow you to optimize the content on the website and improve SEO optimization of the website as well. Also, images can be clickable and follow to the specific page, which is set up here. Basically, that's all. Thank you for your attention.